Assalamu alaikum. How are you? How are you, my student? Doing good? Alhamdulillah. Today we're taking class with me, teacher Sarah. So let's start phonics. phonics عرفنا معناتها أي الصوتيات، وهذا التدريبات. phonics راح نستمع نصل نقرأ. We'll take a mini of vocabularies and let's start. Exercise 1. Read and color O or U and U. O says O. Oh. U says Y. Let's start. Today you are read a funny story. بس تعالوا هنلاحظ هذا الرسمة الجميلة أو الصورة. this picture. What do you see? Ox and tree and box. Why we said ox? Why cow? The cow give farm the milk, but the ox, she doesn't do this. She doesn't give milk. They're a cousin, like a cousin. هم من عائلة واحدة. ممكن نقول أبناء عم أو أقارب. بس مشكلة الcow, she gave us milk, but ox, she doesn't do this. She wants it. So let's read the ox story. An ox sat on a box. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree. Then he was not hot. Not hot. طبعا شفنا الكلمات، لاحظنا أن أغلب الكلمات ox, box, ox بحرف ال O and ال U. Ox. How many letters? Good. 2 letters. Short letters. Short sentence. Short words. On. 2. Box. 3. They're short words. Fun, sun, hot, under, hot, not. Like this. 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. Do you know how spell ox? How do you spell ox? I spell like this, teacher. O says ox. How do you spell box? P O X. How do you spell fun? Fun. Good. F U N. Sun. S U N. Hot. H O T. Nut. N O T. Fun time. Speed reading. Make press. Read together and clap. هذا الجيم القراءة السريعة. And let's start and clap with me. Dot, not, hot. Nut, but, cut. Ox, fox, box. Sun, fun, run. Let's again. Dot, not, hot. Nut, but, cut. Ox, fox, box. Sun, fun, run. We can say spelling of 2-3 letter words. تعلمتم اليوم الإملاء، كيف تكتبون كان إملاء من كلمتين أو ثلاث أحرف أو حرفين. Read 3 letters words. Speed reading list by myself. أخذتوا اليوم كيف تقرؤون القراءة السريعة. طبعا advice time. You can buy a house but not a home. Oh, this is advice time. Is really wow. يمكنك شراء house منزل، لكن لا يمكنك شراء home وطن. You know what's different about house and home? house منزلك، مكان تعيش فيه، لكن الهوم مكان تنتمي إليه. شفتي أنا مملكتنا العربية السعودية، المملكة السعودية، ممكن تشتري أنت يعني أنت كإنسان ممكن تشتري بيت، هل يمكنك شراء وطن؟ بالطبع لا. فاللهم احفظ بلادنا، لازم نأدي حقوقنا وحقوقها، إن احنا لازم ندرس ونتعلم عشان نقوي وطننا. Goodbye, have a nice day.